UiFlow2 is a graphical programming tool divided into 6 sections. Menu bar, UI editor, function extension, blockly list, workspace, and run and debug. Section 1, top menu bar. Log in. Log into your account to enable cloud synchronization for saved project files. Project naming. Modify the name of the current project file. Save project. Manually save the project files locally and to the cloud. Project management. Reference or modify cloud-synced project files. Settings. Configure system preferences such as interface themes and languages. Help. Access official documentation, product manuals, and the technical community. File operations. Import, export, and version management functions for project files. Project Zone. A curated library of community projects. You can download and run projects shared by other users or upload your own interesting projects. Code Preview. Click the tool at the top to switch between graphical programming mode and code editing mode for easier debugging. Section 2, UI Editor. UI Interface. If your device has a built-in interface, you can design a visually appealing UI for it. Layout tools. Align or center text, images, and other elements. Interface styling. Adjust visual parameters such as fonts, rounded corners, and shadows. Section 3. Function extension modules. SOC. Chip type selection. Software. Communication protocols and file management modules. After selecting a module, you can use the corresponding blockly for programming. Hardware. After selecting the corresponding module, you can directly use the device's built-in hardware functions, such as IMU gyroscope, RGB indicator lights, and speakers. Module. These functions require external stackable expansion modules to enhance hardware capabilities, such as relay control, motor driving, and communications. Unit. External sensor expansion unit driver libraries for extending hardware functions to collect data like temperature and CO to concentration. Customs. Custom hardware driver API import interface. Project files. Resource manager for project-dependent images, audio, and fonts, allowing small capacity storage of media files. Section 4. Blockly list. The blockly list is the core functional areas of UiFlow2 and the main region for graphical programming. This section consolidates device configurations, UI programming, logic functions, module extensions, unit sensor controls, and more. Programming is done by dragging and snapping blockly blocks together. Section 5. Work area. The workspace is the area where drag and drop programming is used to build business logic. Below is a brief demonstration of how to drag and use blockly. Workspace tools. Center. Zoom in. Zoom out. And do. Redo. Drag a blockly to the trash bin to delete it. Dragging a blockly back to the function blockly list also deletes it. Use CTRL plus scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Section 6. Run and debug. Web terminal. An in-browser serial debugging tool. After connecting the device via USB and running the program, you can monitor its operation status and error messages. The debugging tool also allows simple file operations on the device. WebRunner, wireless firmware flashing tool. Device model switching. Click to switch device models and check the status of devices linked to your account. If the device is powered on and connected to Wi-Fi, wireless programming is available. Device File Manager. Once the device is connected to Wi-Fi, you can manage its files. Click Run to execute the program. Download. Click Download to flash the edited program directly onto the device.